In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up manual discount codes in Shopify, making your online store even more enticing for your customers. Whether you're running a special promotion, a seasonal sale, or simply rewarding your loyal customers, understanding how to efficiently set up manual discount codes is an invaluable skill for any Shopify store owner. So, let's dive right in. First, from the Shopify admin dashboard, you'll need to navigate your way over to the Discounts section. You'll find this conveniently located on the left-hand panel of your admin page. This section is where all the magic happens when it comes to creating and managing discounts for your store. Once you've clicked on Discounts, your next step is to initiate the creation of a new discount by clicking on Create Discount. This button is typically found on the right side of the page. Clicking it brings up a range of options and settings you'll need to tailor your discount code to suit your specific needs. Now, you'll be presented with different types of discounts you can create, each serving its unique purpose. You could opt for a percentage discount, a fixed amount discount, free shipping, or a buy X get Y offer. Take a moment to consider what kind of promotion will best suit your marketing strategy and enhance the shopping experience for your customers. Remember, the type of discount you choose can greatly influence the attractiveness of the offer to your customers. After selecting the type of discount, you'll need to choose the method by which customers will apply this discount at checkout. Here, you have the option to either manually enter a discount code of your choice. Something catchy and memorable can be effective, or to let Shopify generate a random code for you. If you choose to create your own, ensure it's something easy for your customers to remember and enter without mistakes, which can lead to frustration and potential loss of sales. With the code set, it's time to define the discount details. Set the discount value or mechanics, which could be a percentage off or a fixed dollar amount, depending on the type of discount you've selected. Next, establish the eligibility criteria. Decide whether this discount applies to all customers, certain customer segments, or based on minimum purchase amounts. You'll also want to set active dates for your discount, which allows you to define when the discount starts and finishes, providing you the flexibility to align with your sales strategy or marketing campaign timeline. Once you have carefully filled in all of the necessary details and reviewed them to ensure everything aligns with your promotional intentions, click Save. And just like that, your manual discount code is ready to boost sales and excite your customers. It's that simple. Mastering the creation of manual discount codes on Shopify is a superb way to increase customer engagement and drive more sales. By following these steps, you'll not only create an efficient workflow, but ensure you are offering valuable deals that resonate with your audience. Thanks for watching, and happy selling!